This combo is not a cure-all and it does not replace medical treatment. Ginger, garlic, lemon, and turmeric are commonly combined together to make wellness drinks. Taking them together is very good because they provide complementary nutrients to the body. Turmeric contains fiber, manganese, potassium, magnesium, vitamin B6 and C, iron, and particularly curcumin that has anti-inflammatory support. Ginger also contains nutrients like fiber, potassium, magnesium, manganese, phosphorus, vitamin B6 and C, iron, and some other nutrients. With the inclusion of selenium, allicin, other sulfur, and calcium, garlic also contains most of the food nutrients that are contained in ginger and turmeric. Lemon also contains folate, fiber, calcium, citric acid, flavonoids, and other nutrients. Some of the benefits of taking these four food items together is that it has anti-inflammatory support. It also has antioxidant properties, antimicrobial properties that help to fight bacteria and fungi. It can help with joint health. It helps also in digestive support, heart health, brain health. It can help to regulate blood sugar. It also has the ability of taking care of cold and catarrh. Alright, I have already washed all these items or ingredients and now I am chopping them into little bits so that my blender can blend them into a smooth paste. If you please, you can also make this into a powdered form instead of a liquid form. If you're new here, you're welcome. Thanks for tuning in to this channel and for watching this video. Please do not forget to give me a like by clicking on the thumbs up button and also subscribe to this channel if you have gained any value from this video. And to all my returning subscribers, God bless you all. Thanks for always supporting me on my videos and in this channel. Please do leave me a comment in the comment section so that I can give you a shout out in my next one. Thank you all. So these are all the chopped ingredients: the turmeric, garlic, ginger, lemon. All of them are in this bowl and I'm going to transfer them to my blender. Add a cup of water and then blend them into a liquid form. Before blending, also add a little amount of black pepper to help with the absorption of these items in the body, especially the turmeric, which needs the black pepper in order to help to absorb these ingredients in the body. After blending, I will sieve out the juice or liquid gotten from all these four items. I will also make use of the pulp, either to blend it again or to use it as a seasoning. Now this is the turmeric, ginger, garlic and lemon drink or shot. I have tasted all of these ingredients on their own, but in combination I have never taken it like that, and I know that this is not going to taste very nice. You can take this shot or drink morning and evening on an empty stomach, but you don't have to take it in a large amount. Have a measurement for taking it. I am going to be using this small cup to measure the quantity of this shot that I will take. I'm going to be taking 2 cups of this measurement cup. Take note that this combo supports good health habits, but it is not a cure-all and it does not replace medical treatment. Please take note of this. So this shot should be taken in moderation. Thank you to everyone that has watched this video, and until next time, please stay healthy. Bye.